Namaste, salam, sat sri akal, and welcome to vlog everyone. This is Akshay Singh. On my channel, I'm Valmiki in Bangalore, and I'm at HTRZ Mods. You can see I have Niranjan with me, so he'll help us explaining what all products they have. So it's a big shop for bikers. So people who are not aware in Bangalore where to go and shop for bike products, we have one. It's in
BTM layout.
BTM layout.
Hello
So
guys, this is Niranjan here. Welcome to STRZ Mods. As you can see, we are a motorcycle accessory store based off of BTM micro layout, and we are here providing the best of accessories for every single kind of person riding out there. Whether it's street, whether it's meant for commuting, touring, or whatever sort of adventure or activities you want to go on your daily hustle or on long hauls as well. Well, basically we have performance parts and accessories like ABC performance brake pads. We have lots of helmets, jackets. We have touring accessories like saddle stays, top racks, and whatnot. Basically, we have A to Z of every single kind of accessory that you would want to have on your bike as soon as you get out for the long rides.
I would request you to take us through your store.
Starting from the beginning, we have a couple of different things displayed out here. As you can see, we have chain clean, chain loop, basic essentials for whatever you need for your daily rides. As you know, we have coolants, we have chain loops, chain cleans of different sort. We have over 6 different brands which serve for chain loops and cleans. We also have different oil, synthetic and mineral all together. We also have different riding boots from XDI, Rida and also Orazo. These are very good for touring and also for your daily commutes as well. We also have gloves from Shield, Pro Biker, Biking Brotherhood, Snell, Shield, and 6 different more companies that cater to different types of riders as well. We also have Vesra, Nikavi, and EBC high performance brake pads, which are both sintered and double HH pads, and we also have the ceramic ones as well, which are way better than your stock OEM ones. At the same time, moving forward, we also have Tribocos, chain lube and chain clean and other accessories as well. We also have high performance K&N and BMC air filters. We have Mad Dogs, the entire lineup of Mad Dog, which is basically the Scout, Scout X, Alpha and Delta series of lights, which are 100% plug and play. So you don't need to go through any cutting, so it doesn't void your warranty as well. Well, we also have recharger kits for the K&N ones. The way you know that K&N ones are lifetime warranted, so you don't really need to replace them after a couple of thousand kilometers, something like that. These have a life of over 1 lakh kilometer is what K&N tells us. Plus, we also have AMSOIL products as well, and also we have Yuasa batteries, Varta batteries, Tata AGM batteries, and lots more. With the helmets, we have helmets of all different categories, whether meant for MX, street, riding, or racing. We have lineup of NHK, Axor, SMK, also LS2, and lots many more products. We also have AGV ones as well, so we exactly cater to your needs. So we have prices ranging from as low as 2,000 to all the way up to 20,000 plus. So it depends totally on what you're looking for. Coming forward to the jacket section, we have from Tarmac, BBG, Biking Brotherhood Gear, Skimitar, and also a variety of different ones according to your needs from all different sizes, and L1 and L2 and even L3 ones depending on what your purpose is once again. For the other sections, we have the NHK series out here, which are meant purely for racing. These are one of the best brands that you can buy for a budget. Especially if you're looking for hitting MMRT or some small tracks or whichever it is across India in a budget if you're looking for. These are one of the best helmets that you can buy. Once again, I would like to show you some other things. These are the most premium products that you can buy all over the world, especially if you're looking for traction pads, tank grips and other accessories as such, which are very useful for your daily needs. For example, whenever you're riding hard, you brake quite often and we end up shifting our weight forward. These traction pads help to grip onto the tank with our thighs. So these are very useful, and these are made in Italy and directly imported from there. We have a lot of different products like helmet intercoms and ram mounts and RCB clutch and lever guards. RCB is basically Racing Boy Corporation from Thailand. They are one of the best aftermarket manufacturers in Southeast Asia. And we also have THS helmets out here, which are like pure MX kind of helmets. As you can see out here, these are all DOT and ECE certified. All of these are very strong and really good quality. For the people who don't want to break the bank, if they are looking for something under a certain kind of budget, they also have the regular Steelbird, studs and the other helmets which are there, and also half-face helmet for the pillions. One of the best things that we can show you is the Carbonado backpacks out here. These are meant for riding with your motorcycle on. They also come with a thermal liner here. so you can use hot and cold foods and things like that. It will stay cold for a longer
great.
time. Also comes with a USB charger on the other side, and has place for keeping your sunglasses as well. Has great amount of storage and can fit an entire 15.6 inch laptop inside. There's even
Okay.
USB cables and things sorted out here. This is one of the best things available out here.
And how
A lot
much
of
is this for?
people use this comes somewhere around 5,500 rupees.
Great.
And it is as good as your Oglio Olio no drag backpacks which come. The Carbonator ones especially are very comfortable to wear and have an aerodynamic design all around, and is very functional throughout. These are some of the best things that you can get. Coming to other safety aspects, we also have frame sliders from Retrocross and other brands out here, which are made out of billet aluminum and a lot of different exquisite materials which are meant to save your bikes in case of a fall. These are really good qualities and you can find them at our store out here. At the same time, we also have other performance products which actually help you in your daily riding, like the adjustable levers out here. These are three-way adjustable, one for your length, one for your play, and also for folding it. So in case of a fall, they actually fold back. So they don't come in your way as well. So you can also adjust the length of it if you like a shorty lever or if you like a long length lever or things like that. We also have lever guards, and we also have something called as a display screen protectors. These actually help in a lot of ways. Sometimes what happens when you're touring or something, a stone chip from a truck or something like that, it just comes and falls over on the screen or something like that, or else even the nature is also very unpredictable at times. So these are waterproof and these are scratch resistant and are custom built for bike specific models only, and these are actually really great. Well, catering to your personal needs, we also have custom products for various different motorcycles. For the Himalayan and the other bikes, we also make custom tanks, custom seats, and also for the R15 we have R1 type and R6 type fairing kits which are meant for the entire fairing. We also have radiator guards and other performance accessories as well. We also have the entire luggage carrying kit, the panniers, saddle stays, top racks, and things whichever you would want to take on the long hauls. These especially are of one of the best quality ones that you can find. We also have LS2, JV Racing, Conan, Shad, and also a few more brands like Sumochpin, which is a very good brand from Thailand. These are one of the best ones that you can find throughout the world. And we cater frame sliders from Hepco and Becker as well. So we are official distributors for them, and we have one of the best quality ones for every single motorcycle. For the Royal Enfield lovers, we have exclusive kind of products as well. We have crash guards of different kinds. We have single layer crash guards. We have different kind of handlebars and exhaust of different kind, original barrels, one from Motor Torque, and every single ones for every single motorcycle out here is available. Whether it is for highway cruising purpose or for racing purpose, every single type is available.
Bangalore, I may know, I may don't know that everyone is aware about this store or not. So this is the best place to come and buy stuff for your bikes, your needs. So they have accessories, they have multiple additional gears, what you want it for your bike. So they have each and everything in terms of luggage, in terms of safety. So you should visit one to HTR. Please comment and tell me how you like the product. For all the information about the store is given in the description. You can check the description and you can visit the store. Niyaz Bhai is there, Niranjan is there, who will assist you. And this is time for me to say this is Lakshya Singh signing off from Ambol. Thank you for watching.